the last video I showed you how to add commands to a group, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create aliases for a given command. So let's say you want to make it easier. You don't want to type in YouTube every time, but that is the command's name. You want the command name to be the most descriptive one, and if you want to add aliases, they can be added and with less obvious names. But I would make the main command text be the most obvious. So let's say I add an alias. I simply add the alias attribute, and I could do something like YT for YouTube, or I can actually add as many aliases as I want. So I could do like, I don't know why you would do that, but I could do like that, letter U and tube, and like that. It's as easy as that. Let's go ahead and go back to Unity. We can run our project here. Hit F5 to open our console, and we still are within that group, so we still have to do YouTube test. But now you can see I have 3 commands showing here: YouTube, YT, and YouTube. But these are all the same command. So I can do YT, and it'll execute the same command as if I did YouTube, which will do the same command if I do this one. So all 3 of these will actually execute the same command. Alright, that's it on aliases. In the next video, I'm going to talk to you about the no help attribute.